I need to go all the way down to frickin' Newark. My God, I mean, we're in Newark, all the way to Milpitas. That's good.
China cleared.
Are you ready? Okay.
Gear up.
So I'm gonna do a sharp turn to get into high alpha, and then I'll be in it by the time I'm straightening out. There we go.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Yeah, go ahead. Whoa!
It's like, no. Take it off.
There you go. There you go. Get on it. Get on it. Get on it. Oh snap! No! Oh, I like that.
1 minute.
Nice stuff. So you think you figured it out? I could see dust blowing as you were throttling up.
That was some stupid ass.
That was really. I'm like,
What are you doing,
Frank. Like, that's why I'm doing it now.
30 seconds.
I think it's the most fun to do high alpha with this thing.
Oh my God, okay. I would have installed a long time ago.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
See if we can hold it all the way around, Frank.
I'm working on it.
Okay.
Can I do a touch and go?
Yeah, go ahead. Just do it ahead of us because we're in high alpha right now. There you go, Frank. You got it.
Oh, shit!
Yeah, don't freak out. Just use a little rudder. The rudder keeps it from totally flopping out of it. But it's scary. You're like, oh crap, it's not going to recover. So
Oh my God.
if it starts to fall off to one side, use opposite rudder. It stops it.
This thing's so big, it's fine, right?
Oh, really good. I've been there, done that, Frank. Trust me. The bottom falls out. You're like, ah! What the heck? All right, let me blow some dust off the runway.
One minute over.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah.
Yeah, see that?
Operator.
I know, but it's fine. Use your throttle to control your speed and altitude.
Oh my god.
You just can't chicken out. It will hold it.
Mom, you want to see some spins?
Chicken out.
You want to see a spin? Look it up! Look at the sky! No.
Oh yeah.
There you go. See, now you got
Oh yeah.
it. See what-
Alright, let's do some
Is that full throttle?
No, no.
2 minutes over.
Hello, birds.
fast.
You ready?
As long as there are no more geese.
No, the geese are gone.
You can.
I'm right with you.
Get ahead.